It is version 2 of the Liberty Walk R35 GTR from Ashima. We're going to be taking a look at the new parts for this kit. So let's get started. So here are essentially the new parts for this kit. You got a new set of wheels, the wing, and the decal sheet. So the wheels, just like in the first kit, 2 pieces. And there are the wheel, the rest of the second part. Can't think of that. And the wing, stick on the rear end. And the decal sheet. So that is the version 2 LB Walk R35 from Ashima. Thank you so much for watching.